Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charles Space. In today's video, we'll be making a very gorgeous Bubu dress. So guys, if you're new to my channel, do well by subscribing and click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. So this is an Ankara Bubu dress. For the length of the dress I'm working with is 60 inches. I'll go ahead and measure out 60 inches and I'll be adding extra 2 inches allowance, making it 62 inches. So this is the length of the dress. Now the shoulder measurement is 15 inches divided into 2 will give me 7.5, and I'll add extra half inch, making it 8 inches. That is for the shoulder. Then for the armhole, I will make it 11 inches. Okay, and I'll put 1 inch shoulder slant. So guys, the shoulder is 15 divided into 2 will give me 7.5, and I added half an inch, making it 8 inches. I also marked 8 inches here, then marked for the armhole 11 inches. Then I went ahead to minus 1 inch for the shoulder slant. Now for the neckline, I will mark 3.5 here. Then I'll connect my 1 inch shoulder slant from here. You can see that. Then under this side, from this point, from the shoulder, the bust point here, the bust point is 12 inches. The half length is 16 inches. While the hips, I'm using 26 inches. So from these 12 inches, I'll take my bust measurement, which is 43 divided into 4 will give me 10.8 inches. That's approximately 10.8. This is for the bust. Because it's a Bubu dress, I'll go ahead and add extra 3 inches. 3 inches here. Now under here, which is 16 inches from the shoulder to this point, I will take the waist measurement, which is 41 divided into 4 will give me 10.3. That is approximately 10.3. 41 divided by 4. So I'll go ahead and add extra 3 inches as well. Then for the hips measurement, the hips is 45 divided into 4 will give me 11.25. That is 11.3 approximately. Okay, this 11.3 approximately plus 3 inches allowance. What I have here, I will take it down to the hemline. That is 14.3 approximately, but I will make it 14.5. This 14.5 altogether to the hemline. Then for the armhole here, what I have left here is 10 inches divided into 2 will give me 5 inches. Then I'll curve it down from this 5 inch. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. So I've cut it out. I'll place it on my fabric to cut out the back pieces. This is for the front, although it's not having any zipper. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. Now, after cutting out the front and the back pieces, the next thing will be the neckline. Now, this will be the front. The front will be having a design, sequence design at the front. So this is the back piece. For the neckline, I will mark 3.5 here. 3 inches because he's having a slit. I'll curve it. Then at this point, I will mark slit of 6 inches. I'll open it up by 6 inches. So this is for the back. Now the sleeve length is 12 inches and I'll add extra 2 inches, making it 14 inches. Now the round sleeve is 15 inches at the upper side and 14 inches at the lower side. That is 15 divided into 2 will give me 7.5 inches. This is 7.5 inches and I'll add 2.5 inches. Okay. Add 2.5 inches here. For the down part, 14 divided into 2 is 7 inches plus 2.5 as well. Then I remove 4.5. I'll curve it. So I'll be adding the sequence as well on the sleeve, but that will be later. So I'll fold it again to cut the second pieces. I'll go ahead and put notch at the shoulder line. Then for the front here, I'm using 3.5 by 6 inches first. So I'll curve it. It's going to be a V neckline. I'll mark it straight to these points. So guys, we are done with the cutting. This is the front and this is the back and the two sleeves. So the next stage will be the sewing aspect of it. So do well to watch to the end to see how everything is being sewn to become a beautiful Bubu dress. So guys, I've actually attached the sequence. You can see that, and the facing for front and back. I attached the sequence before I place the facing. You can see the same way I cut my facing, I cut the sequence, but I made it bolder. You can see I made it bolder. So I'll fix the facing for both front and back. This is for the back. You can see the slit side, and I went ahead to fold the mouth of the facing. You can see I've actually folded it and I joined it at the shoulder. Now this is the front side of it. Okay, I first sewed my sequence. I top stitch on it. I didn't turn it over. I top stitched, then I now sew the facing. You can see. And for the sleeve, I actually made a design too at the sleeve using the sequence and the trimmings. Just folded it in. Then at the front side, this is a triangle shape, and I use my trimmings as well to run it and then use it to cover up the seam line as well. The same thing to the second sleeve. You can see. The next thing to do is just to fix my sleeve. I'll place it this way, the right side facing each other. From the notch at the shoulder line, then I'll have to sew through the armhole, close it up. The same thing to the second sleeve. After which I'll then close up the whole edges, the two sides. I'll close up the two sides using 1 inch, but it will be having a slit at the down side for easy movement. Now the down part will have slits, so I'll just mark 17 inches from the down here. Okay, then I have to notch. This is for the slit. So I'll go ahead, after attaching my sleeve, I'll go ahead and close up the rest of the two sides. Okay, then for this side, after sewing, I have to fold it in like so. Okay, I'll fold it in like so. The same thing to the other side, I'll do the same thing. Then I'll go ahead and hem the down part with 1.5 inch. So at the end of it, I'll be having 16.5 inches for the slit. So that's the last thing to do. Okay, then I'll go ahead and hem it at the down part, after which I'll show you the final picture of how the dress looks. So guys, after making it, this is how it looks. You can see the sleeve. This is the front, the slits, and this is the back. You can see how beautiful it looks. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, keep watching for more styles, and bye until I see my next video.